Hey everybody, this is Chad Tiller with Rosco. We're here at USITT in Charlotte having a great time. USITT 2011 has been a blast for us. Here at the show we're introducing our new line of Rosco Gobo rotators. We're very excited about these rotators. They are some of the most exciting, feature-laden rotators we've ever offered, and I'm very excited to tell you guys about them. We're going to start here on this end with the Simple Spin. The Simple Spin is our plug-and-play model. We've also got the Revo and the Revo Pro, which I'll get to in just a moment. I want to talk about a couple of the features that are common to all of the rotators. First of all, we've brought back our popular friction lock from our DMX Iris. The friction lock is designed so that when you drop this into the Iris slot, you have a little bit of play in the Iris slot. You can depress this lever, the friction lock extends, making positive contact inside the body of the fixture. This is going to allow you to get a secure, firm focus on exactly what gobo you want to focus on in the fixture, and no fuzzing from the play inside the Iris slot. Another nice feature on all of these is the threaded retaining ring. This retaining ring is going to hold your gobos in place. No more spring rings that are going to shoot across the room and get lost under the workbench somewhere. No more spring rings that are only going to hold your gobo with compression. You're actually going to be able to thread down and lock on, whether it's a steel gobo that's 5 mil thick or if it's a glass gobo that's a millimeter thick. You're going to be able to get a positive 360-degree connection on that gobo. Threaded nylon's not going to expand on you in the heat, it's not going to melt, and because it's a nice nylon ring, it's actually going to thread nice and easy. I can cross-thread anything. I have yet to be able to figure out how to cross-thread this gobo retaining ring. I'm sure somebody out there will figure it out, but it's designed to be anti-cross-thread. So it's a really great product. One thing you can't probably tell as well is how quiet this belt-driven rotator is. This is truly a front-of-house quiet product. This is rotating at full. And Marianne, can you hear it?
No, I can't.
There you go. It's a great rotator, quiet, perfect for black boxes, front-of-house applications. The plug-and-play model has a couple of toggles on here. One of them is going to be your directional control. There's one motor on board, so you have both gobos rotating in opposition at the same speed. I've got a local potentiometer that's going to give me local control of that speed. But the other toggle on here is my control mode toggle that's going to toggle from local to dimmer remote. What that means is I can now plug this unit into a dimmable circuit on my electric. By ramping that up from the control console, I can now control the speed remotely on a plug-and-play unit. Really great design. Internal power supply auto sensing from 100 to 240, and this is the Simple Spin retailing at $399. We love this unit. This is a great unit, and we're really excited about introducing it. The next step up is the Revo. Now the Revo is a little bit more programmable. It's got a 4-pin power, so it's going to run with the same external PSUs that you're already using for your scrollers and your IQ intelligent mirrors. The nice thing about this is you have 2 motors on board, so now I have independent speed, direction control of both gobos, regardless of what the other one is doing. I also have dual indexing control. So if you're doing that production of A Christmas Carol and the ghost is going to come visit Scrooge in an hour, you're going to be able to rotate the minute hand 360 degrees while rotating the hour hand just that 1 hour so the time can pass. You've got that control of indexing. We've got both 8-bit and 16-bit resolution on the indexing, and it's a really clean, easy-to-use product. Same features with the friction lock and the threaded collar and the belt-driven silent operation. So we really love this Revo rotator. This retails at $499. The Revo Pro is not more professional than the Revo, but it's a programmable unit. What's great about this unit is that we have the onboard power supply, we've got 5-pin pass-through, and we've got 99 presets already built into this unit. That means that you can have one gobo going counterclockwise at 2 RPMs, the other one at 1 RPM in the opposite direction, and you can set that from the mode without ever having data present. But what's really great about it is there is one user-definable custom program. What that means is you go to the correct mode for that user-definable program. You can set each gobo speed just from the face of the unit without ever having DMX present. You can tell it exactly what you want it to do. This is great for a lobby where you don't want to run a DMX line, or in a retail application where you want the window to display to do what you need it to do without ever having data present. The nice thing about this is then I can kill power. I can physically unplug the fixture, and it's got a last on recall, meaning that when I pop that power back onto it, it's going to come back to that user-defined program that's saved in the memory of the unit. Again, we've got all of the same features I've already talked about, and this one retails at $599. This whole family of rotators has been designed with the end user in mind, direct feedback from the folks who have been using Rosco products for 101 years, and we're happy to present it here at USITT.